Welcome to the California edition of
Together Bistro. I'm here with my friend Chuck, who just got off the island.
Yes,
You
we
can
are embracing the show business in LA. We are in this wonderful Airbnb.
Yeah, thank you, Steve and Catherine. We are feeling right at home, and when we saw this kitchen, we said we have to shoot an episode
We have
here.
to do an episode. So today we have prepared something very special. My mother sent a recipe the other day on WhatsApp. You have to make this. This is the best thing you've ever had. And we did, and she was right, as moms usually are.
Yeah, and we're gonna show you how to make it in a minute. We have a book recommendation.
Yeah.
We've been traveling from Austin to Long Beach.
Via the Grand Canyon.
Yeah, we've camped. It's been a really crazy week. We're working crazy hours.
Yeah,
Time
time difference.
So let's see how this turned out. I think it turned out.
Yeah, well, let's try it.
Good. Let's try it. Yeah.
Got you a fork?
Thank you. How handy.
A little bit of potato.
This is the softest pork that you'll ever make. You'll see. Wow.
Wow.
So good.
So good. You know what I love about what we are doing is that people are sharing with us recipes now. They are saying that you should make this, you should make that.
Yeah.
Right?
Right?
I love that.
I love you.
Thank you. I love you too.
So the reason why I'm saying I love you like that is because the book that we're recommending today is called Soulmate. And it's a novel by Jessica Gross. I hope I'm saying your name right. And yeah, it's a great book about marriage and meditation, divorce, deceit, love, and this idea of soulmates and whether that's real or just, one of those things that we make up as humans to survive.
It's a great book.
What do you think?
I believe in soulmates.
You do?
I believe there is a connection, deep chemical connection, emotional, but also intellectual, that connects two people like you and I connected when we met.
So, okay, so that's something that happens like right as you meet, or in your opinion, when does it happen? Or do you develop becoming a soulmate, or you are already a soulmate?
That's a good question. I think
Let's
that
start
you are
this.
a soulmate, and that connection never really goes away. It's constant.
What is a soulmate? In your opinion, like if you had to define it, I'm gonna grab the...
I think it's a natural connection between people, an inclination to be attracted to the ways we think, behave, and relate to each other.
So the next step is once you're done blending, you add all of the sauce that you have with the garlic and the olive oil and the parsley, and you distribute it evenly onto the pork. I actually filmed this step and somehow the video did not record, so I'm doing it again. But yeah, what you need to see is just make sure that you have every single piece of pork chop covered, and this is the softest pork chop that you'll ever have. We are going to leave it in the fridge for 4 hours. You can do from 2 hours on. The longer you leave it, obviously, the more tender it gets. And when we are ready to fry it or sear it, pretty much, we will add a little bit of breadcrumbs, not a lot, just a tad on top of it. And you do 2 or 3 minutes on one side and 2 or 3 minutes on the other. And seriously, it is the softest pork you'll ever eat. Now you go into the fridge.
This is so good.
So good.
I hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it.
We'll see you back in Austin.
We are going back in 2 days. Bye.
Bye. Oh.
Hey, y'all finished.
No, we have to see if it's good. We have to see if it's good.
This is so good, Amon.
Oh my
Isn't
god,
it?
the food is delicious.